launch hacking. What is launch hacking? Hi, Tommy here. Well, launch hacking is a pretty popular way of making money in marketing, making video reviews, and also to get more attention to your review you could do blog posts. It's more beneficial if you already have a list you can promote the offer to, but you could, a beginner, you could make some sales. But anyway, launch hacking is when people start to promote a product through different ways that I told you about, video reviews and so on. Start to promote the product a few days before the launches of the product. And here is a great site when you want to find what launches that's coming up. It's called Manchai, as you can see, big launches. And here we have all types of launches, smaller launches as well. But all launches is here. But when you're brand new with this kind of promotion, it can be hard to get approved as an affiliate for the big launches, but sometimes you can get lucky and get approved, but you could have more success getting approved choosing a smaller launch. But I would recommend that you apply to get approved for several products, not just one, if you want to get started as soon as possible. Here are signs of where the product itself are hosted, so to say. This is for signed for JVZoo, and this is for Pay Kickstart, and these are for Warrior Plus, for instance. What you gotta think about if you haven't made that many sales, sometimes it's difficult to get approved as an affiliate. But like I said, sometimes some vendors approves you no matter what. But to increase your chances to get approved, you can mention when applying for the product that to promote it that you are a student of this and that marketer, or if you're not a student of someone, you can say, if it's true, that you research and try to learn more and more about affiliate marketing, for instance, on YouTube and stuff like that. You don't have to say where you learned it from, but it's not a lie if you really trying to find out how to promote more effectively and so on. But I thought we should go to check out the JV page of a product. Let's go to this one product by Billy Dar called Hero. So here are different details about the products. It's the vendor's name, the product name, and when the launch is, and what exact time it launches, and what the front end cost is. Price is $17, and you will earn 50% commissions. And here we have the JV page and what kind of software it is. Sorry, what kind of niche it's in, software, and it's on Warrior Plus. It's another thing that's important, that you are organized, because if you promote different offers, it can be difficult to remember when the launches are, because you gotta prepare in time to do a good job promoting the offer. So you can click here to add to your iCloud calendar. You can click here to add to your Google Calendar, or you can click here to add to your Outlook calendar. And then when you enter any of these, you just save the information. But let's now go to the AV page for this product. So here are different information resources, the demo of the product, prices for the affiliate contest and tools, and there you can click support to contact them, and there you can request your link or you contact. I should say this about making reviews is a kind of a must to offer bonuses, free bonuses for when anyone gonna purchase the product you promote, because there's so many people out there that do video reviews that you gotta stand out from the competition, and because sometimes people buy a product only because of the bonuses, just because they are so good quality. So I'm gonna talk about that in a while also, how to deliver those bonuses. So about bonuses, if you're just getting started or have a limited budget, it's maybe difficult to have all that many expensive bonuses, but I'm gonna add a kind of thumbnail to this video at the end or at the beginning about how you can create an ebook to give away, or you can record something you've learned about within marketing, affiliate marketing. You can give away some audio about that, or a video series. You can link YouTube videos that you have recorded as a bonus. But anyway, let's go to where you request approval to promote the product. So here you will find more information about the offer, about the contest and stuff like that. And here you can contact the vendor, or if you want to view the JV page again, but we already have done that. But anyway, you can click here to view the sales page, and here's where you click to request approval, and here's where you enter what I gave you advice about earlier. You can say, hey, my name is this and that, I'm a student of this and that top marketer, and I would like to, I hope you will approve it, and so on. But and another thing, mention how you're going to promote the offer. If you're going to do video reviews, and maybe you're going to do blog posts, or even email a list if you have a list, and mention that. And then when you've written down everything here, then you just click on request offer. Now I'm going to talk about how you deliver the bonuses to your buyers. So here's a product I've already been approved for to promote, the 7-figure affiliate system. So we're gonna click on get link, because there are fields there where you enter the link to where those who buys the per product from you will fetch the free bonuses. If you don't want to invest in some software where you deliver your bonuses like Commission Gorilla then, or something like that, you can actually put in the URL in this field here to a Google document. You can also choose to build your list this way and put the link here to opt-in form, like you can create in the autoresponder service you are using. They should have tutorials on how to do that, I believe. So, but I'm gonna, and when, let's say for instance you want to build your list this way with opt-in form, in the first email they received, you put the link to, you write that here are your bonuses, and then you put a link to that Google Doc if you want to use that strategy. But I'm going to show you how you set up that Google Doc now with bonuses. Anyway, when you have put in the URL here to where they can get the free bonuses, you just click on save here. All you need to access the Google Documents, Google Docs, is a free Gmail account. As you can see, I'm logged into my account here. And then you click this square with dots to see the different apps for Google. then we're gonna go to Google Drive. Okay, something wrong there. Click on Google Drive there. Then you click on New here. One moment. Anyway, we're gonna choose Google Docs here. Here at the subject line of this doc, you can just write the product's name and bonuses or something, and here you can put in those purchase the product you're promoting, can find the products. A simple way of a bonus can be a good ebook, and I will put a thumbnail on this video in the beginning, or if it will be at the end, how to easily create a ebook on your own, so that you can use if you're not sure how to create a bonus gift. But anyway, you put the link to where they can find the bonuses here, but then you gotta change the settings for the sharing. So you click on share here, because now it's just the settings are like it's only you that will have access to the bonus now. It's set to private, so you gotta change the settings about that. Like you can see here is set to restricted, but you click on the arrow down to change the settings to anyone with a link. Otherwise, if you post a link and it's restricted, they can't access anyway. But now it's about to update the settings, and then you just click on the link, copy link, and then click on done, and then you just put in the link on the earlier page at Warrior Plus, or if you're using JVZoo, and put it in where you should enter the URL for the bonuses. So if you want to learn step by step affiliate marketing, then click the link below for a great training. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, then feel free to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.